Hello everyone, this is Akash. In this video, I will show you how you can make a timer circuit very easily. By using this circuit, you can run any electrical appliances for a particular time. You can set the time by using this potentiometer. Please watch the full video. I will show you how you can change the time from 10 seconds to 10 hours. Also, I will provide the circuit diagram. This video is sponsored by jlcpcb.com. They provide high quality PCB at very low prices. Just upload your Gerber file, choose your quantity and color. Now fill up your shipping address and pay according to your payment method. You can choose here PayPal or your credit card or your debit card. To make this circuit, we will need a 12 volt SPDT relay, a BC547 NPN transistor, a LED, you can choose any color of LED, a 1N4007 diode, a 555 timer IC, a 8-pin IC base, this is optional, you can avoid this, a 1 megohm potentiometer, a 103 PF, a 33 microfarad capacitor, you can choose any voltage above 16 volt, 3 1 kilo ohms resistors, a 15 kilo ohm resistor, a power cable to power up your device, a lamp holder, you can use any kind of load, here I use a lamp, so that I use a lamp holder. Put all the components to the board and solder it. Guys, if you need more times, like you want 2 hours or 4 hours, in that case you have to change this capacitor and this potentiometer. To calculate the time, download this timer calculator. I put the link in the description below. Now open the app, click on monostable mode. Now click on the frequency. Here you can change the resistor and the capacitor and you will get your desired time. Now here I set it to 1 mega ohm and the capacitor rating is 33 microfarad. So you can get 36 seconds. Okay, but now here I change it to 1000 microfarad. So you will get 1100 second. So you can get up to you can calculate this 1100 second to minute, then you can divide 1100 by 60 second by 60, so you will get it to minutes. So you will get the minutes, so you can get 18 minutes by using 1 mega ohm resistor and 1000 microfarad capacitor. If you use 4 mega ohm, in that case you will get 4400 second. If you use 8 mega ohm, in that case we will get 8800 second. So I hope guys you understand this process. You can get any desired value according to your needs. So you can change the capacitor and the resistor, so you will get your desired time. Guys, please do not touch any component while the circuit is plugged in on 220 volts. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel for more updates. So thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video.